excited to get on board to Australia. But navigating the process that gets you an Australian Maritime Crew Visa can be quite challenging because it involves several steps like setting up your Immi account, applying for visa, and finally uploading your documents. Worry not, you can now do it yourself with the help of this short video. Let's kickstart by setting up your account on the Australian Visa Application website. Here, click on Create Immi Account button. Select Individual under the type of online services. And once you have entered all the details, confirm your email address. Next, you need to set up your account credentials. Note it down somewhere as you will need it later to track your application and apply for future visas. After carefully filling in all the details, click on Submit. And you are done. Now comes the main step of applying for your Australian Maritime Crew Visa. This process is all about entering your details, so make sure that you have these documents and details handy before you start. But if you have arranged for this already, what are we waiting for? Log into your Immi account. And click on New Application. Then click on Air and Sea Crew and select Maritime Crew Visa. Start the process by clicking here. Now, under Application Context, select this option. Enter your current location and click Next. Time to open your passport. Enter all the details here carefully, exactly as per your passport. Once done, select Yes on the National Identity Card section and enter your details as per your ID here. Valid IDs include Aadhaar card, driving license or Indian CVC. And then provide other personal details like relationship status, citizenships, etc. Now that you have finished entering all your critical data, review it once more and confirm. But picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Next up is a section to enter your contact details and correspondence details. An authorized recipient is someone who will get all the written correspondence on your behalf. Click on No if you want all of that to come to you directly. Now enter details of the latest educational qualification and move to the next section for filling up your employment details. This includes filling in details of the vessel operator, manning agency, in this case it's CSSI, your job details, and the last 2 years' employment history. Finally, a mandatory check on character. Make sure that you provide relevant details if you answer a yes to any of the character declarations. In the last stage, accept all the terms and conditions. Before you submit, review all the information very carefully that you have provided. Click Next if everything is in order. Congratulations! The land of cricket and kangaroo beckons. Here's the final step. Once you have filled all relevant details, click on Travel Document Biodata. Select Passport on the type of document and upload your passport. And submit. You're done. On the My Application page, you can view your application status. Note your application tracking number for future references. Hope you have a good journey. See you on the ship.